Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to write a more than one condition using elif conditional statement. The example I am going to show you customer care options. So please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. So, customer care options. So, I am going to take one variable option is equal to int of input of enter the option enter the option. Conditions I am going to write if option equal to 1 print of welcome to accounts department. Welcome to accounts department. Elif condition I am using. Elif option equal to 2. I am going to take the print statement here. Print of welcome to products department. Products department. You can write in multiple number of conditions. Elif. If elif option equal to 3, print of welcome to new products department. Elif option equal to 4, print of welcome to enquiry department. Enquiry department. Elif option equal to 5, print of welcome to complaint department. Complaint department. Now I am going to write like a else. Else print of invalid option. Please choose between 1 to 5 only. Let's execute the program. So, if the user selected the option 1, welcome to accounts department. If he select the option 2, welcome to products department. Option 3 means welcome to new products department. Option 4 means welcome to Enquiry Department. Option 5 means welcome to Complaint Department. If you select any other, for example 9, you can see invalid option. Please choose between 1 to 5 only. So you can, using of elif, you can write like a multiple number of conditions according to your requirement. So thank you. See you in next video. I'm going to show you some more examples. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.